Hello! In front of me I have a Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this Smart Band. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this Smart Band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our Smart Band. Once you open the application, tap on the device icon. And here you should see your Redmi Smart Band 2. Tap on the Manage Band Displays option. Here, look for the custom option or category and tap on it. And right here we have 3 styles of the, or not 3, but 5 styles of the watch face. We can select one. We have the one with the clock in the middle and some information, and the one with the clock here and some information. So basically select the style you like, for example the first one. And once you select the style, you can select custom photo option. It will open the file browser or manager. You can open the folder, select the picture, and once you select the picture, you will need to crop it. Basically, because if the picture is too big to fit on the watch face, you will need to select the part of the picture, and whatever is gonna be in the highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So crop the picture, tap on continue, tap on apply, and wait until it's done updating. If you see this pop up, tap on replace. And once it's done downloading and installing or applying, as you can see, it will be applied automatically on your Smart Band. And then you can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.